in a rapidly shifting world where science and technology collide in ways humanity never imagined possible. A new chapter in medical history is unfolding quietly, yet powerfully, sending shockwaves through hospitals, universities, research labs, and every clinic across the globe, especially after an artificial intelligence system recently did something extraordinary, something so unexpected, so groundbreaking, that it is causing experts to question everything they know about human intelligence, medical training, and the future of healthcare itself. Because this AI didn't just assist in diagnosis. It didn't just analyze datasets, and it didn't just provide suggestions like the systems we have seen over the past decade. Instead, this AI stood shoulder to shoulder with real doctors, took the same medical licensing exam that human physicians study years to prepare for. And it not only passed the exam, it scored higher than 99% of actual doctors, instantly igniting debates around the world about whether machines might soon outperform humans in one of the most respected, challenging, and life-saving professions ever known. Imagine for a moment the intensity of a medical exam. Hundreds of pages of material, complex case studies, multi-layered biological systems, rare disease patterns, emergency response, scenarios, anatomical nuances, pharmacological interactions, and ethical dilemmas, all compressed into a series of questions designed to filter only the most capable minds for the responsibility of treating human lives. Yet this AI completed the exam with precision, speed, an understanding that stunned experts, leaving many to wonder, how could it possibly know so much? And more importantly, what does this mean for the future of doctors? To understand this incredible event, we have to step back and explore how this revolutionary AI was trained. Because, unlike human doctors who study for years, attend lectures, memorize textbooks, and gain experience through practice, this AI was trained on millions of medical records, global disease databases, surgical reports, diagnostic images, pharmaceutical research papers, patient histories, emergency guidelines, and decades of accumulated medical knowledge from around the world, digesting in hours what a human might take a lifetime to learn. And it didn't simply memorize this information. Like a student cramming for an exam, it learned to understand patterns, to detect connections invisible to even the most experienced specialists, and to form insights at superhuman speeds, analyzing symptoms, risks, probabilities, and outcomes with a level of accuracy humanity has never seen before. When the exam results were released, researchers didn't believe it at first. They assumed it was a system glitch, a data misread, or an accidental scoring error. But after rechecking the results multiple times, the truth became undeniable. The AI had not only passed, but had outperformed almost every human doctor who had ever taken the test.
Imagine a clinic where AI identifies early-stage cancer from a simple blood test that traditional tools would overlook. Imagine a world where rare genetic disorders are diagnosed in seconds, saving children who would otherwise suffer through years of misdiagnosis. This is not the future, this is happening right now. And the medical exam results are just the beginning. In pilot programs across the United States, AI systems are already reducing diagnostic errors by over 40%, catching diseases earlier than ever before, and assisting surgeons during complex operations by analyzing real-time imaging and predicting surgical risks in milliseconds, something no human brain can do while simultaneously managing dozens of variables at once. But while the benefits are enormous, a deeper question lies underneath this breakthrough. What does it mean to trust a machine with human life? Can algorithms truly understand pain, emotions, ethics, or the gravity of life and death decisions? Researchers argue that AI is ultimately a tool, a powerful one, but it still requires human judgment, empathy, and experience to guide it. The best future, they say, is not a world where AI replaces doctors, but a world where AI strengthens doctors, making them smarter, faster, more accurate, and more capable than ever before. Yet some fear that as AI continues to evolve, it may learn medicine not just better than humans, but beyond human understanding, creating insights we cannot fully explain, pushing the boundaries of science into unexplored territory. For now, though, the focus remains on how AI can help humanity, especially as hospitals face doctor shortages, rising patient loads, and increasing medical complexities. With AI assisting in diagnosis, medical imaging, treatment planning, and personalized care, millions of lives could be saved worldwide. Still, as we enter this new era, a powerful realization becomes clear. The moment AI scored higher than 99% of doctors on a medical exam was not just a technological milestone, it was the beginning of a profound shift in how we think about intelligence, learning, and the future of healing. It forces us to question what it truly means to be a doctor, what role humans will play in the next generation of medicine, and how we will adapt to a world where machines might one day know more about the human body than humans themselves. As this story unfolds, one truth stands out above all. The future of medicine will not be built by doctors alone, nor by AI alone, but by the powerful combination of both, a partnership that has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, extend human life, and unlock discoveries that were once impossible to imagine, all sparked by a single extraordinary moment when an AI, for the first time in history, proved it could think like a doctor, learn like a doctor, and perhaps someday even surpass the greatest medical minds the world has ever known.